Hello everyone, welcome back to your art and craft classes. In today's class we will do something different with veggies. I'm using a potato. You can cut a potato with the help of a cutter into two pieces in the wide manner. You can take a full hand size potato. I'm taking a small one, and we will learn how to do printing with the help of potatoes. Let's see how can we do it. I'm making leaf designs over it. So I'm taking a pencil first. I'm trying to make a leaf above it. Give it a shape of leaf. Nicely. Only one line you have to make. A round leaf you can make. Okay, now in the center line you have to make, and then this parts. Let's see how you have to overlap it, like doubling you have to do. One, first I'm doing it with a pencil so that it will be get easy for you to cut it later with the cutter. Now I'm moving to the cutter. I'm not cutting it whole. Just watch it carefully. A half of the centimeter. I'm putting the cutter inside it and just take it out. Like this. If you are very small in age, less than 15 years, you can take your parents' help in cutting the potato. Similarly from the another side, a leaf like shape you will get. Now we will cut the center part. First I will cut the center line in the doubling manner, and you have to take it out. In the triangle part also you can cut curvy from both of the side. You will get it out automatically like this. Now from the sides, similarly double them like this. Similarly from the second side. banana leaf is ready here. Now it's time to paint it. I'm taking it here, and let's just, you can use any paints over here. I'm using bright colors of acrylic paints. You can use poster, rangila, any paints over here, but try to use some bright colors. Yellow, dark green, leaf green, after taking out the colors, with the help of brush, just put your colors. I'm starting with the yellow first. Orange. Red. Leaf green. Just clean your brush if you're feeling colors are getting mixed. And then dark green. And the final step is to print them. But you have to maintain the symmetry. Suppose in this line I will do it in this way. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so alternately I will do it. Suppose in the area I will paste it like this, and then 2, you have to press it from everywhere. 3. Okay, similarly let's see how many prints we get of one layer of colors. Okay, press them very nicely. See, alternatively I am doing it, first, second, third, then alternately where the space is empty. Okay, I don't think there is more colors left over it, so we will add more color. Now again alternatively we are doing it. And you have to fill your sheet. Like this. So you can try any design of printing with the help of potato. Thank you everyone for watching the video of potato printing. I hope you enjoyed this activity. Take care everyone. Bye bye.